In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to make 4 half square triangles using 2 pieces of fabric. You want a background and a contrasting fabric. Both of them need to be identical in shape. The first step is to put them right sides together. And then you're going to take this to the sewing machine and you're going to sew all the way around all 4 sides of that square. All right, so you're going to make any adjustments you need on your needle position, and you are just going to sew all the way around the 2 layered squares, a 1/4 inch seam. When you get to the corner, leave it in a down position, the needle, so you can easily lift the presser foot and pivot. All right, now that you have your 2 squares all sewn together, you're going to take it and cut it into your 4 half square triangles. All right, so we have our pieces and they are sewn together. So we've got our background and our contrasting fabric. I'm just going to lay this out. So now I'm going to cut from corner to corner through all the layers. And that will give us our 4 half square triangles. So now I just need to press them and square them up. All right, so now we have our 4 half square triangles and we just need to square them up. I use the block lock ruler. It's got a little groove that you can put the seam in and makes squaring up super easy. So these could actually go to, right, it's 3.5. I've got a quick printable that will show you what size of squares you need to start with, depending on what size of square you want to finish with. So that is the method of getting 4 half square triangles with your 2 pieces of fabric.